My friends, your kitchen is starting to look good. Except for this. We got to get rid of this. Now I blame this partially on me. Part of this is my fault. I haven't made a video on this yet. So without any further ado, how to remove scratches from your dishes with confidence. Here's our plate, and as you can see, it's got lots of scratch marks on it. Get some different angles. What you're going to need to remove those scratch marks is some Barkeeper's Friend. This is just the powdered version. Powdered version works better than the liquid version in this scenario. And you're going to need a Scotch-Brite sponge. We're just using the green side, so the yellow side is completely irrelevant. If you want to just get, you can buy just the scouring pad, and you can use it if you prefer. So let's get it wet. Pour your Barkeeper's Friend on it, the plate. Take your pad, and all you do is scrub. Now let's rinse it off. See how she turned out. And as you can see, the scratches are gone. I'll show you some different angles. That is a beautifully clean, pristine white plate. Now you can put that on your wall right there. You know, the people who put plates on their wall and as decorations. Well, here's one for you. So that is it, my friends. How to remove scratch marks from your dishes. Thanks so much for tuning in. What I'm going to do in this video and in the videos to come in the future, I want to try out something new, and I just want to read 2 comments each video to kind of have some community engagement, if you will. Respond to 2 comments. And so the first one comes from the last video I did, which is 8 professional kitchen cleaning tips to help you to, no, it's 8 professional kitchen cleaning tips to make your life easier. That's the last video I did. Comment comes from a Michael A. And he says, I noticed you have a lot of things, tools, kitchen appliances, etc. on your countertop, which I love. Some people keep their counters completely clean and empty and then store everything. What's your perspective on having your things available and on display versus hiding everything away in cabinets to pull out when you need them? My personal belief is that it's crazy to buy a house, install about 80 square foot of countertop just to have it act like just a big empty shelf that holds nothing but displays its surface. Okay. So, I mean, I responded to this, but for those of you that don't go and read my comments, I'm reading these comments for everybody. So my kitchen, the stuff that you saw in that video in my kitchen is my wife's stuff. That's all my wife's stuff. That's her domain. She loves to cook. She loves the kitchen. That's all her stuff. That's not my stuff. I just use the kitchen. I clean it for her. I keep it clean, right? But here's the thing. I'm fine with having stuff in your countertops as long as it doesn't get in the way, right, of the cooking process. But I'm kind of one of those type of guys where it's like the less clutter, the better. I'm one of those minimalistic type people, so the less, the better. Next comment is from a Karina Lopez, and this is on the How to Clean a Flat Screen TV video that I have. And it says, Day I don't know of quarantine. Here I am watching a video on how to clean my TV. Laughing with tears emoji, laughing with tears emoji. Well, Karina, all I got to say is I'm glad that it's my video that you're watching. Until next time, my friends, thanks so much for checking out the video, and I will see y'all in the next one.